Alright guys, here we've got DOOGEE S98 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So at first reach Settings, then find and select System and click on Backup then. Now click on Add Account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to log in, and then provide your email address. Click on Next then. And it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as soon as the password is entered, tap on Next. And that's it. As you can see, backup to Google One is active. Just click on Turn On to confirm. You can also backup data right now. Just provide your fingerprint or a passcode, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.